Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, My Things. So today I'll be doing a video of how to make a squishy. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll be needing is paper. You can also use coloured paper. You'll be needing some coloured pencils or pens, a black biro or a black felt tip pen, a pencil, a stapler, some body spray or perfume which is optional, this is if you want to make your squishy scented, and some plastic bags. You will also be needing scissors, I forgot about them. So you want to start off getting 2 pieces of paper and cutting it into the main shape you want. I'm going to do a cookie, so I'm going to cut it into a circle. It might also be helpful if you draw your shape on your paper with a pencil before you cut it out. So now I've cut my piece of paper into 2 even pieces. That's why you need to put 2 pieces of paper together and then cut it into a circle because it's much quicker. I am now going to draw my pattern on there. So first of all, I'm going to grab 2 shades of yellow. I'm choosing this light shade of yellow and this darker shade of yellow. I'm going to make the base colour. I may add some tint of brown, and I'm going to make the base colour of my cookie. So I have finished the front and the back, but it didn't turn out how I wanted it to be. But it took way too long to start over again. So I'm just going to keep it like this. And now you want to go ahead and grab your stapler. And you want to staple some edges, but not all of them, so you can still put your filling in. So I have stapled around it and left a gap here. And I actually think I prefer this side, so I'm going to be using this side for more things. But you want to put your hand through it and just open out the gap. And then you want to get your plastic bag, and if you want your squishy to be slightly scented, you want to get your perfume or body spray and start spraying the plastic bags and kind of kneading it in. Once you've done that, you want to get your plastic bag and make it into a long line like this. Then you want to grab your scissors and start cutting it up into tiny sections. So I've got all my plastic bag cut up, and now I'm going to actually spray some more body spray just in case it lost its scent. And now I'm going to stuff it into my squishy. So now I have finished my squishy. It's very, very soft. I'm really happy with the turnout, apart from this rip, but because I sprayed perfume on it and it got a bit too wet. But that doesn't matter because I can put some sellotape on top. But I really, really like this squishy. So that's turned out very, very well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. And hit that big notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. Goodbye!